Hello and welcome to the 4C Supreme Law, your trusted channel for all things legal. Today we are going to dive deep into one of most pressing topics for the year 2025. That is Indian big dreams of migrating to United States. So we are going to examine here the new immigration law under the new regime of President Trump, Donald Trump. It is going to be. Let's find out that under Trump, is your ship to immigration, is your dream to immigration is going to sail smoothly or is going to face rough weather, or you are looking at very stormy seas on onward journey to US. Stay tuned because here I'm going to share exclusive tips to protect yourself when it comes to migrating to the US and from falling prey to illegal immigration racket. Big frauds going on. I shall reveal here the details of ongoing investigations, both in India and the US, in the immigration fraud cases that every aspiring migrant must know. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this information because it is just not going to save someone's dream, but it is also going to save some precious life. So let's first delve deep into the new immigration policies going to be announced by the President Donald Trump in his new regime. First, Trump administration has announced to tighten the grip when it comes to the immigration laws. They have announced more rigorous vetting process, stricter documents requirements, and tougher rules for visa extension. So if you fall in either of these three categories, it is high time to be cautious, careful, and prepared mentally as well as physically. What these changes means for we Indians. Number one, increased H-1B visa scrutiny. Restrictions on family reunification. Longer processing time for green cards. So this all three going to affect Indians in a big way. For Indian professionals, especially in tech, the H-1B visa landscape is going to be the new battlefield. While there are hope for reforms favoring skilled labor, the additional layers of bureaucracy might make the things more complex. So let's now understand, is immigration going to be the easier or the harder under Trump? See, immigration is going to be easier or harder will much depend on individual situation, on your situation. For skilled workers with clean documentation, I believe the process would be easier. It would be a smooth sailing. It may still work in their favor provided you are a skilled worker and you have clean documentation. For those relying on family sponsorship or lottery system, the process is going to be uncertain. The process is going to be delayed and unsure. But there is another side of the story, the rise of. So this delay, this uncertainty will rise to immigration fraud, illegal immigrations, illegal rackets, exploiting the desperate Indians because of these new changes in the law. Do you know that currently there are ongoing investigation, massive frauds taking place when it comes to the immigration, both in India and the US. Just last month, The authorities uncovered fake job offer racket targeting Indians, scammers promising granted H-1B visa and green cards, charging lakhs of rupees in fees just to disappear within shortest possible time. So these rackets, these illegal fraud schemes work in the name of fake universities offering student visas, bogus job consultancy charging high fees, agents falsifying documents for quick approvals. These cases are just not ruining lives, killing dreams, but also making US immigration authorities tighten the norms and making the law further harder. So in this situation, with this new change in regime, new law, and with this kind of fraud and scam going around, how you are going to protect your interest? What are the tips for safe immigration? Number one is do your homework proper. Research officials' visa categories, their requirements on the trusted site like uscis.gov. I repeat, uscis.gov. It's there in the description also. Verify agents with whom you are dealing. Check their credentials. Check consultants and the consultancy you deal with. Fake promises are red flag. Avoid shortcuts at any cost. Any kind of shortcuts being suggested, being recommended, or you yourself trying to take must be avoided. Never agree to falsify the documents, receipts, and communications. Consult your lawyer, seek advice from qualified immigration lawyers, attorneys to navigate complex legal pathways. Remember, when it comes to US immigration, there are no shortcuts to legal immigration. Quick fix can lead to deportation, bans, or worse, criminal charges. In the process, if you come across any clandestine activity or fraud or suspicion or suspicious activity or suspicious person, you must report it immediately. In India, you can contact the US Embassy or the consulate. In US also, there is a dedicated helpline for reporting the fraud cases. By exposing scams, you would not be doing favor only to yourself, but you will be also protecting others. You will be helping the authorities to crack down on these criminals. Immigration to US is a dream for many Indians, but the path is filled with challenges. While the new Trump regime brings stricter laws, staying informed and vigilant is the key to success. We at Force Supreme Law are committed to bring you the latest updates and insights when it comes to immigrations and other development in the legal fields. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, share it with your friends, and to subscribe our channel for more. Let's build a future where dreams are achieved legally and ethically. Stay safe, stay legal. See you in the next video. Allow me to say goodbye to you till I come back again with a new topic in a new video. This is your friend, Advocate Dr. Ajay Kumar Pandey, Supreme Court of India. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.